In this video, we are going to see sugar industry. That is the third agro-based industry what we want to study in 10th standard. India stands the second in the world producer of sugar, and first place it is to Brazil. Um, and what we are producing, and when we are thinking about the production of gar and kansari, in that we are standing first position. The raw material used in the industry, that is bulky, that is sugarcane, that you know, and the in the hullage of its sucrose content reduces, and means we are in the sugar factory, they are dividing into two, that is sucrose and sugar, that like that. And we can see that when the starting it is very bulky, and afterwards it is not like that very much light, but we are dividing into sucrose and sugar in separately. And 2010 to 11 we can see there are 662 factories, sugar mills are there, and that is in UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat. These are the states which are we are having the maximum sugar factories, and some of the other states like Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and that states also we are having. And 60% of the mills are in UP and Bihar. Maximum sugar factories we can see there in UP and Bihar. Other 40% altogether other states we are distributed. This industry is the seasonal in nature, and it is ideally suited to the cooperative sector. Maximum sugar in sugar industry we can see that is in cooperative sector. And question may ask like this, why it is seasonal in nature? Because the sugar plantation in month of May and June, and the cutting it is coming means the November December time we are starting to cut the sugar cane. And after the cutting of sugar cane, again the new plant we will plant it in December. For suppose it is in December, then it will take minimum 9 months time to grow. 9 months time to grow. So the sugar factory will mills used to work. The sugar factories it is working from December to or just after Diwali. Diwali it comes, normally it will come October, November. So we can say like that, November to March, we can see maximum sugar factories they are working and collecting the sugar cane and doing the processing. That's why we can say it is seasonal industry. That's why maximum we are undertaken by the cooperative sector. In recent years, there is a tendency for the mills to shift and concentrate in the southern and western states. It is coming to south states from Maharashtra and the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, like we are having, and even western states it is moving to western states, and especially in Maharashtra we can see that one. And it is because the cane produce here more higher sucrose content, where we are means the where we are cultivating the sugar cane here in Tamil Nadu or in Karnataka, Maharashtra. In that we are getting the maximum sucrose content. That's why nowadays the sugar cultivation and sugar factories it is coming to the southern and western states, and it needed cooler climate and ensure the large crushing season. In the crushing season we want to get the cooler means the winter season it is better. That's why we are saying like that, from November to starting of March or February, up to that time the crushing, because we needed the cooler climate. And moreover the cooperatives are more successful in these states, especially in the South India we can see maximum companies um, under the control of cooperative sector. The next one, the major challenges what we are facing, the first one it is seasonal in nature, already we said that one. Then we are using all that inefficient methods of production. Still we are using the for purification purpose sulfur and other things. Very less factories are there, even 10 percentage, less than 10 percentage of the factories we are using the sulfurless sugar. All other factories still they are using sulfur for the purification of the sugar. Then transportation it is very delay, because it is far away from the main city. That's why again the transportation especially in the bringing that sugar cane, that is most problems, and it need to maximize the use of baggage, means the transportation of sugar. In olden days we can see the long sugar it was transporting to the factory. Now we can see cutted like a small one, we can say like that 10 to 15 not centimeter, no more than that, okay. Anyway, 6 to 10 inches pieces like that sugar it is taking to the factories nowadays. The in olden days we was taking the big long stick like that sugar. And these are the problems we are facing. Once again, the nature itself it is a problem. Then the machines, we don't have like that modern machine. Then the transportation delay of the sugar cane into the factories. And the baggages what we are using, that also it is coming much, because the waste of the sugar cane, that is the dust part, the dried part of the sugar cane, that stem. And the sugar, after making the sugar, that is becoming a real headache for the factories, because how to manage that one. Again we can see the another thing, the waste water of the sugar, from that we are using make use for other some industry, like making the alcohol, spirit and other things nowadays. So we are studied about, today we have seen that three agro based industries, in that cotton industry, then jute industry, then sugar industry. So by this today we are stopping the lesson. Please read and make the questions. Challenges facing by homework of the day. Challenges facing by cotton industry, jute industry and sugar industry. All the industries, what are the problems they are facing, challenges facing by facing by all the industries. Thank you, have a nice day.